Welcome back. So today this is XMG lost coin from Clockcoin part 17. So we want to keep working on Clockcoin to Mintcoin link. Okay. So we are already trying to make some commits from Clockcoin to Mintcoin. Maybe this step is not needed, but we're going to do it anyways. And so yeah, we started with an image commit. Let's continue with all of the stuff that we have around here. Yeah, so this is Mintcoin to Clockcoin. Clockcoin to Mintcoin. Let's add some more commits. Let me update this. Okay. So let's do it. So I think the easiest thing to do is working on the wait a minute, Clockcoin. Yeah. So what we can do here is to replace these three files here as yeah. So let's do it. So far, Bitcoin, ICNS. Where was it? Qt result icon Bitcoin ICNS. This should be Mintcoin with capital letters like this. So the other ones are ICO and PNG. That's right, ICO and PNG. Nice. So now if we compare this again, we should have these three files change here. Okay, and so what we want to do is to commit this as fork mint, because we go from clock to mint. Yeah, and this is replace images, and this should be something like rename file names. Okay, so 1 second. So more stuff that we can work on. So once we have renamed the files, we can copy their contents from the left to the right. So we can copy these three files here. Fork mean, remove, replace images, and this is this should be actual Mintcoin images. This is the content of the images. Okay, yeah. what more do we have around here? We have these two images here, which we can copy to the right, and yeah, so we can just add them. Say something like new min.conf images. That's right. Let's search more stuff. So we have these files here, these other ones here, which are removed. I'm going just to remove all of this. That's right, because they are not used here. So we can remove this here. Okay. Now we can see something like remove old Clockcoin images. I mean, remove old images, let's say. What more can we do? We have a lot of images that are being modified. We will do all of them in one go. And we also have these images that are new. So let's copy them so that we can add them to Clockcoin. So this should be something like new non-min.conf images, because I don't think it's from Mincoin itself. And so right now what we have is just images that are being updated because of whatever the reason is. They are updated, so let's update them so that we have commits only related to images. Okay, probably we can select many of them in one go so that it's easier to do all of this stuff. So let's copy to the right. Now we should be able to see all of these images. Okay, so we can add them, and we can say something like update images. Update images. That's it. Okay. So right now we have much less stuff to take care about. We have the .pro thing. We have a lot of files that are being changed. We have this object ignore some places here that yeah, we actually don't have here. So let's add this build ignore so far. Wait a minute. Why did status does not have anything? Is it because it's okay, so probably this is ignored by, yeah, so probably want to hit at -F, and so now we can see how so this is new build ignore file. Okay, and the other one that we're going to copy is the other ignore here. So src object ignore. So it should be src build src off. Just, yeah, hit ignore. So it's the same thing. It should be ignored by default, but people from Mintcoin add it, so let's just add it. So this should be something like this. Okay. So now we can work on all of these files that we have around here, that are files that are copied from elsewhere, that probably have only strings about the dialogues, and this should be a copy from Mintcoin, not from Ycoin. So here we are replacing Clockcoin with Mintcoin string. Okay. We have managed not to do this properly. Let's oh, wait a minute. You can see how, does the path exist? Yeah, we have country separately, country Debian. Okay, so Mintcoin on the here it has a lot of Novacoin stuff, which I'm not sure this is right. So if you refresh this, yeah, you've got the Novacoin, and the Novacoin has not any change, so there's no way of dealing with this. Okay, 1 second. Where are you? Okay, 1 second. So I was saying that we have some stuff around here, which we have copied, and so what you want to do here is to yeah. So what you want to do here is to check if everything is the right thing, and if there's something that it's wrong, then we will not add it. So we are going to check if everything is just renaming Clockcoin to Mintcoin, and that's it. So that we can have a commit of all of these changes. Okay, look at that. Here there are Bitcoin QRC has more stuff than what you usually have. So what you want to do is restore SRC QT Bitcoin QRC, because this is different to just replacing the strings. Okay, so okay, so let me check more string replacements. Let's see. Okay, here we have some ports, so this does not need to be here. So Bitcoin strings should not be here because we have some ports that are being changed. What more do we have around here? Bitcoin GUI. We have okay. Here we have still of change. So we don't want this change here. Yeah, maybe we want to do this manually, and yeah, maybe we want to do this manually after all, so that this here. 1 second. it seems I was not online properly. So I am working on adding this replacement stuff. Many of them are not the right ones, and it's annoying because there is some HTML that it's being added or removed if you want. So I'm not sure what I'm going to get because of this later on. Okay, so yes about this, yes about this, yes about this. Yeah, this should be the same thing. Okay. Now we have a lot of files that are being changed, and if you take a look at what you have inside of here, yeah, more or less everything is the right thing to have here. So yeah, so let's save this. So this should be change coin name or something like that. And this replace coin name. So it's just replace Clockcoin to Mintcoin. Okay. Okay, so more stuff that we have around here. So maybe I'm going to add the thing about HTML in one place so that we can have you know, everything in the same place. But I am concerned about this because why would you have HTML here? That's interesting. I mean, is this going to be something wrong that confusing? The question is, will I have to go back from HTML to regular text once again when we fork from Mintcoin, Clockcoin, and then we go to the other one, which I don't remember right now. So yeah, so where the hell? Okay, so Mintcoin, we go to Clockcoin, then Bottle Caps Coin. So does Bottle Caps Coin have this HTML? That's the question that I am confused about. So so this Clockcoin, it earliest commit is from January the 5th, okay, and Bottle Caps commit around this dates, 5th of January, 5th of January 2014. Let's take a look at that. See what the hell does it have. Okay, so 5th of January, so this should be this commit, which I think I have already seen about this. So the question is, do you have anything strange on, do you have any HTML on here? Yeah, so here there's some HTML, but maybe here, yeah. IB line 95 in SRC Qt forms about dialog. So SRC Qt forms about dialog. What does happen around 90 line? Okay, as you can see here, there is no HTML, no nothing. So this Clockcoin stuff is going to, it's not going to be helpful for me for these strings here. I mean, there's nothing about this HTML that it's been added here. So I might just remove Clockcoin from here. Just work with, because it's only to one why would you add this in the first place? Although there are some yeah. Okay, anyway, let's add the I mean, I don't like this, but let's do it, and that's it. Let's add the HTML replacement that is so wrong. So we have this. Okay, we have this one. We have this, I guess. This one. So this is another HTML. Not here. It's here. Okay, so now we can do something like replace coin name, and this should be replace Clockcoin to mint coin. Okay, and this is special because it's removing HTML, which is the right thing to do. Okay, bit down, yeah. Okay, so now we have some more stuff, but it's not about replacing mint coin and Clockcoin and so on. So we can keep this for later, because we prefer to work with all of the stuff later on. So let's copy all of the files. Let's see if we can find anything that it's about replacing the. We want everything that it's about replacing the. What's the name? The coin name. One go. And we will manage to. Okay, let me see. Yeah, so let's take a look now. So now we should be able to hit add -1 and just add whatever is related to change. Wait a minute. Grain developers. Ah, look at that. That's why I always said that Clockcoin was from yeah, this is, I already knew about that, but the problem is that grain is, there's a lot of changes from grain to bottle caps. That's what I do not understand. But okay, let me see. Let's copy this and let's write it down here. So probable new path. So Clockcoin comes from grain coin. Okay, but the question is, do we want grain coin here or not? Because bottle caps are grain coin. We have already checked this, and it was not very good, you know what I mean, because yeah, so maybe we can help to find where the hell is this, but yeah, so this is not what I want to use right now. So Clockcoin, mint coin, okay, yeah, yes, this is okay. We're going to split, but I don't think that this is going to be any helpful for us. Yeah, there's Clockcoin, mint coin, we could do this. Yeah, we don't want, okay, mint coin, Clockcoin. Oh, look at that, we go to the past. At the same time, 2014, mint coin developers. Wait a minute, but we have already thought about this, isn't it? We want this because it made sense. So Clockcoin is from 2014, and mint coin. Do we have anything about mint coin? Mint coin first commit is from 2014. Yeah, they didn't replace 2013 to 2014, even if the first commit was from 2014. So yeah, that's what it happens sometimes. So yeah, but this is a copyright change, so it's not exactly the full stuff. So let's do not add this. Clockcoin. Yeah, this name has been changed different way, so it's not exactly the same thing, but let's go on with this. Oh, look at that. So apparently what's the name? Mint coin does not have this. So this is probably a green coin commit or something that we should be aware of. So probably if you search for this, there will be someone talking about this. Maybe not. Yeah, let's use GitHub. Okay. Wait, you showed me that there were. Okay, here you are. Clockcoin, checkbook coin, 300 coin, and this thing here. Yeah, I mean, I guess that they are all of these commits are from similar dates. 2014. Well, 2014. This is 5th of February. I think that the one that we are looking at, which is Clockcoin, is the oldest one, from January or something. Yeah, that's right, from January. So all of these other shit coins are two new commits. Yeah. However, what we can take a look at is grain coin, crypto grain. So this should have around January of 2014, there should be something about, look at that, look at all of this work. So around January 2014, which is, okay, let me check. So 5th of January, so it should be before that. So here, yeah, here we should have 2012 copying. This should be 2013 copyright. It's the one that we have here, and yeah, so probably, yeah, probably. Yeah. This grain crypto, probably we search for another commit here, and that's not, probably this is the commit that we want to fork mint coin from, but, I am not sure about that. Let me take a look at what's the name. So what happens in country Debian? This is Nova Coin, okay. And what happens at share? Do we have bottle caps or not? This is the problem, because this is renamed to, we have bottle caps. But somehow bottle caps was not here. There was some problem about bottle caps here. So yeah, maybe I should reconsider using green crypto for this, but where? Because we were interested in one specific commit. Yeah, so let me check what I was checking here. So I was checking this file, which is this is found on Clockcoin, and so yeah, but here I should, yeah, so this comes from which file? Bitcoin RPC. So in theory we could go here, check for SRC Bitcoin RPC, and we should have this file here, and here you are, you have this IP that's blocked because something bad about this IP. So yeah, so we know that Clockcoin is forked from Graincoin, but the problem that we had originally was about some files, some comparison that we did between mint coin and bottle caps. There was some code that was not okay, and that code was added later on Graincoin. Well, was not added on Graincoin, and it made no sense. So yeah, but the problem is that I was checking the 2014 Graincoin, and maybe I should be checking this 2013 Graincoin. So let me see. So I think another approach to the new path. Okay, so what you want to do is mint coin and just link it to grain coin, but this is grain coin from 2013, not 2014. Even if the first commit of mint coin is from 2014, it would seem that this is forked from grain coin from 2013 or something, and that's what I think we're going to explore, if it makes sense or not, because else Clockcoin is going to have a lot of stuff that I'm not sure it's good enough. So yeah, this is the one that we want to explore. So this is the 22 of December, because that's before, yeah, this is before Clockcoin stuff, but even then, you know, this is 2013. Yeah, okay. Clockcoin. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's quit from here. Okay. Let's restore everything, shall we? And yeah. Okay, so here we have Clockcoin, and Clockcoin has this master branch, which I have not done properly, because now I should redo stuff, because damn it. So what you want to do is to fork from here. I have not done this because I was not properly okay, so let me fix this. So mint coin, yeah, this one. Mint coin should have this. Okay, so now Clockcoin should have this fork here, and what you want to do is to remove no, that's not right. So we are on master, and yeah, so what I want to do is to remove this one to create this new one at the master height, and now I should be able to remove master, and yeah, so what we want here is to remove brancher, master, and then hit checkout this commit and say that this is master. So this is master. Yeah. So now we have this master, origin master, and if you why the hell are these changes here? Okay. So now I should be able to go here, and if you log everything, you have the manual fork mid coin, and down here you should have origin master or master. Okay. So let's ignore for a moment. Let's ignore for a moment this, and let's focus on the other things. So let's discard Clockcoin to Mintcoin link. Let's try to link from, let's try link grain coin to mint coin. I think it's going to be easier for doing that. However, let's take a look at this code here that I was looking at. Where is this? Link bottle caps into mint coin. So mint coin bottle caps does not have any Lucky 7 reference. So that's why we wanted to use Clockcoin. So grain coin was a good candidate. However, link Clockcoin. Yeah, so the idea is that Clockcoin is a bottle caps fork, because there are bottle caps in there, and then here the grain coin. However, I was assuming that grain coin did not have anything about bottle caps, but it had something about the bottle caps in 2013, because I was checking the 2014 stuff, and it seems like you want to check 2013. It's like you know, mint coin was created in 2014 with 2013 commits. So that's why it has the 2013 copyright. So question is, what the hell was this difference that I was checking at? So what we were concerned about this was comparing the bottle caps with so let's open this other buffer, and so we should have a bottle caps mint coin work with bottle caps in it. So I'm going to move it here. So this bottle caps, not sure if we have, yeah, you have this manual fork from bottle caps to mint coin, and the problem here was that it did not play so well. So we thought that this was the right commit from bottle caps to be used, and so when you compare to mint coin, there are too many changes that do not make sense, and so this is not it. So what you want to do is to compare with mint coin. So mint coin and bottle caps. Now I should have this other comparison. Okay, and I think I discarded this path from going to bottle caps to mint coin because of sure if it's Bitcoin RPC or something else. So Bitcoin RPC should be here. Where are you? Maybe down here. Bitcoin RTC. So you can see here there is some port changes. There's this bottle caps stuff, and we should have something about I do not remember. I mean, it's on the videos, but I do not remember what's the exact commit, but it's a relevant commit because it's something about having a checkpoint, which did not make sense. Problem is that I did not write this down, so not green coin, but grain coin. So the code is something about okay, let me check. Block. Something about blocking. Okay, here it is. This one. This is what blacklist block of something something, and this is found somewhere in the code, and that's what we are going to search for. So let's write this down just that we don't lose it anymore. So this is from both mint coin and grain coin. So the problem is when it is. That's the problem. So here we might be able to see grain coin. Where the hell this grain with grain? I mean, I think this was the. So if you search it. Now, if you search it on Google, you can see how oh, wait a minute. Is it like this? Yeah, so if you look for this, you can see how this is from where I am. This is from grain coin. Where the hell are we searching in? Well, yeah, I'm a bit lost because we were searching for some stuff. Yeah. Probably I have changed up. Yeah, let me. I should be able. Oh my god. So, grain coin. There's something. Okay. By blacklisted the block. Okay. And this is what you find out on the source code. That's what you want to do. You want to search this specific commit on grain coin. Right now, grain coin does not have anything about this. Yeah, so this is block something, and I don't think this is. I don't think you can search about this in this repo and get anything, because this is not good enough, because GitHub sometimes is a big mess about searching stuff. So yeah. So let's take a look. Let's take a look here, maybe on March, you know, and this was found at Bitcoin RPC. Where the hell was this found? Yeah, let's focus on. So we want mail from bottle caps. Is this something from Bitcoin RPC we are looking at, or was it something about another thing? Checkpoints, kernel.cpp. Do not remember where the hell was this change located. I mean, we have already seen this. Maybe checkpoints, not checkpoints, but we have already seen it, isn't it? Okay. Let me check. Yeah, the problem is, okay, so if I compare bottle caps and Bitcoin, I should be able to find this quite easily. Maybe main.cpp. Do not remember very well where the hell was this. I mean, I can search for it, isn't it? Haven't I searched for this? Yeah. Blacklist something. Yeah, main.cpp. That's what we want to src main.cpp at around some line, which is 2022 line. Okay. Around line. Yeah. Okay, so Graincoin src main.cpp should have here something about blacklist. Here it is. So we know that this needs to be here, so that this is a working so that this is a working what's the name? So that this is a working Graincoin fork. Okay, we need to have this, but I am not sure. So there's this copyright thing that Grain Crypto. Yeah, this might be it. Grain Crypto here. Scott Nadal King. Yeah, we probably want Grain Crypto from 2013. The question is, wait a minute, why does it have a link here? What is this? Read me aloud. When was this link done? This was done on May 2014. Grain coin, mint coin, May 2014. Okay, let's write down another thing about this. Magic coin might be a grain crypto fork from later then remove some formatting, at 19th of May. This is a specific commit. Then he added mint coin stuff over it. That's the only explanation. So green crypto plus mint coin or something like that, because yeah, you take a look here, this is quite similar to what Magic Coin has. The only thing that it's modified is this country file, which begins to have mint coin and stuff, X11 coin and so on. So yeah, it's probably green coin or mint coin or whatever, or you know. Or maybe another coin from that from a similar date with that readme link. Then he added mint coin stuff. No, then he added X11 coin, X11 coin, X currency stuff over it, and a lot of other stuff that we know about, you know, X11 coin, X currency, Batcher coin, and so on. It's the same thing. Okay, so so let me see. Let me see if it makes sense. Okay, so here we have this help. So what we want to understand is when it's the first time that this block happened. Okay, because this needs to be from the mint coin point of view, this needs to be here, and this is grain, which it's the first commit. So the first commit already has this, and this is 2013 December 7. So wait a minute. So the first commit is, are we actually talking about the first commit here? Let me check. The first commit is this one. Sometimes happen. BDC0, BDC0. Okay, so it's the same commit. So mint coin can be a fork of any of the commits of grain coin up to whatever is the first commit of mint coin, which I don't think we have here. So mint coin. Okay, so let's write this down. So mint coin first commit is here. Okay. So actually this is a specific from grain coin proof on the forum, on the Bitcoin stock forum, and it is found on its first commit. Okay, so yeah. So copyright from okay, let's write this down, because copyright copy in file from mint coin has 2020 as the year. Okay, so if you take a look at from the first commit of mint coin has, okay, so if you take a look at, let's see if we can find it out here. If you take a look at mint coin, okay, and you go to the very same first commit, which is from 6th of February, you can explore the copy in file, and it says 2014. Wait a minute, what the hell I have seen here then? So this is Clockcoin and mint coin, and I was taking a look at copying. Who was it? Readme. Okay. Brain developers. Yeah, so I did not understand this properly, but in any case, this is what I think it's all about. That this came from 2013. The question is, how do you know it? Which is the exact commit where to fork from grain coin to mint coin. And the right way of doing this is comparing mint coin with bottle caps and check what the hell is different, because there are a lot of stuff different, and I think that you know, a lot of them are from grain coin. So maybe this generate empty random, which is from mint coin, might be from grain coin. So this is on main.cpp. So let's take a look. Somewhere. Now we have a lot of stuff. So yeah. Okay, so this is the first commit, which is the one that's... This is not the first commit. Let's open the first commit. I think I prefer to have the first commit. Let's search main.cpp here and see what the hell do we find, what we find out here. Okay, and here we can see how we can search for generate empty random. Okay, take a look at this. Generate empty random is specific from Clockcoin, and it's already in the first commit. So I'm starting to think that Mintcoin was forked from the first Clockcoin commit or something, because there's a lot of stuff here, but there should be something else, isn't it? I mean, look at this cutoff height here. Do you have cutoff height here? Cutoff height. No, you don't have it. So are we sure that this cutoff height is specific from Mintcoin? I'm not sure about that. So that's where you search here and search for maybe yeah, probably here in February. Let's see if we can manage to find this cutoff height stuff. No, it's not there. Well, maybe it's something specific. Cutoff height. Will we be able to find this code somewhere here or not? All of GitHub. Oh my god, why is there so many code here? Yeah, I want specific capital letters, not this stupid thing. Okay, let me search advanced. Let's search for src main.cpp. Hopefully there's someone that has it. Coin. Yeah. Okay. This is not going to be useful because we cannot compare the repos depending on which was their first commit. April 2014. Yeah, this is another one. Okay, bottle caps. Let's search for something else. Simple algorithm, not depend on the diff. Maybe this is something that we can search and find on Clockcoin. But I have my doubts. What about searching here in this repository? Oh, finally, here it is. So the first commit, that's simple algorithm. Yeah, the first commit has this text, so this is not useful at all. minimum proof of work required was n base. Let's search this on the first commit of Clockcoin, see if it's already there. There should be something else, isn't it? Okay, this is the same thing, but here we have VN proof of work limit, VN proof of work limit. Okay, let me check here. Supermajority on something. I might, yeah, I think I need to use my tools to understand which is the best commit to fork. Unless Clockcoin comes from elsewhere, which is Clockcoin fork. Clockcoin is based on Bitcoin. How the hell was this sold? The first commit. Okay, grain is from the family of Bitcoin Nova Coin. So this should be a Nova Coin fork. That's for sure. The question is, so the first commit is of Clockcoin is 7 of December 2013. So sorry, wanted to add here one more zero. Okay, not too much. What about this? Yeah, probably December. Okay, so let's go back again. So Clockcoin first commit is from 7 December. So if you take a look at Nova Coin at November, let's see what you have here. Nova Coin, look at that. The question is, do you have any of the stuff like supermajority on mainnet? Is this something from Nova Coin? Which we are, no, it is not. So it's something from Clockcoin, from Clockcoin. Yeah, okay, so I'm going to use the tools to understand what's the difference between these two, because otherwise this is not useful at all. So let me see. Okay, so mint coin, it's clearly a Clockcoin fork. That's my idea. And so but we do not know from which commit exactly. And there's this question about, is there any other repo? Is there any other Graincoin repo which is better than what we have right now? So if I search Graincoin, is there something which is from site? The question is there something that it's older, okay, or not? Because we have this Grain project with 123 commits, and the first commit is from December 7th, 2014, and yeah, so this is another one, but this is exactly the same thing. We have 3 branches here. I didn't see this. Oh, look at that. Wait a minute. This branch is ahead master and 123 commits behind master. And this comes from Bitcoin, not from... Wait a minute. Maybe this is Graincoin is the only thing that I want to have here. And here, Graincoin stage something. Yeah, this might be another stuff, but it's not what we are looking for. Okay, so let me understand this, because this is quite interesting. Because we have a branch what about def 012? 123 commits behind. But are we sure that this comes from Bitcoin? I think this comes from this is the dev directory based on Bitcoin. That's not true. The question is, yeah, we need to study this Graincoin fork stuff, because it doesn't make sense to me. I think this is a Nova Coin fork, and thanks to this this does not make sense. So you have this master branch which starts with this. So let's focus on Graincoin right now, so that we understand how it works, and then we will compare Mincoin to Graincoin to find the right commit. Okay, so yeah, let's postpone for now how Mincoin was forked from Graincoin. We need to use a script for that. Now let's focus on what the hell is the name? Graincoin and its dev branch, which has a lot of commits, and it's probably related to Nova Coin, because that way we might find exactly where the hell this is forked from. But this is something that it's a bit confusing, because you know, it would seem to me that yeah, my concern is that I can go into Clockcoin, I can go into dev, which has a lot of commits, as you can see here, commits ahead. What about 2000 something commits? Maybe 2000 something commits. As you can see, this goes all the way to the past. So how the hell did he manage to do this? So there's some history missing here. Otherwise, this does not make sense. The question is, are we able to find out? Because this is Bitcoin. Why would he view all branches? That is 6 years ago. Compare. Yeah, let's compare these two branches with this stupid comparison block, and let's find out. Master and dev are entirely different commit histories. Yeah. Show it to changes. Yeah, apparently. Wait a moment. There are 2 grain coins. Damn it. I mean, there are 2 different grain coin. The one that comes from Nova Coin, main master, and the one that comes from what the hell is the name? Bitcoin. They seem quite similar. So if you take a look at, damn it, if you take a look at, what the hell is this? At this comparison, you can see how yeah, so development, yeah, let's take a look manually on dev and master. So master SRC checkpoints. .cpp, line 39 has a lot of files here, a lot of lines. That's right. And if you take a look at dev src checkpoints.cpp, it has this genesis block. That means that this is the other way around. Okay, so let me see. Dev has the hash genesis. And here, wait, it's the same thing. Yeah, because I'm not doing this properly. We need to use def here. Okay. So def does not have the hash genesis block, but master has it. So this is a comparison from master to def. Def does not have it, master has it. Yeah, so master to def. So as you can see, master has this some spaces here. Oh, look at that. This is a complete tab because you cannot highlight it. Down here you can highlight parts because this is some spaces, okay? And if you take a look at this thing here, yeah, we're not going to find this comparison here. Or are we? Yeah, because we have this exact same code. So if you take a look at main.cpp, we search this thing about the block. So I'm not sure what the hell is this, but we should have this block stuff about blocking some random. Okay, is this the right place where it is? Line 22, 20, yeah. We could see lines here, but oh, look at that. Oh, okay. That, well, okay. Well, more or less. I think that's, yeah. Okay. Here we are. So the question is, look at that. We don't have several spaces. We have a complete tab. So if we take a look here, and this is master to def. This is from master. Nice. So mint coin was forked from grain coin master branch. That's a fact because it uses tabs instead of spaces. Okay. What's it is interesting about this is that Clockcoin has these changes about only 2 files. So even if they do not share the same history, the only change here is minimal change here. Yeah, so and this check block here. So now we know that mint coins comes from grain coin master branch. We don't know which is the commit. We know that this def and master branch have different histories, and I think that we don't care too much about that because what we are interested to know is which the place where grain coin forked from Nova coin. So so let's use the scripts so that this is easier to do. So Clockcoin is sort of, we ignore it, Yeah, and bottle caps we ignore it, and so what we want to work with is with green coin, and then do this magic about knowing where the hell grain coin, sorry. Okay, so now here, do we have anything about grain coin? No, we don't have it because it was not on our plan to have it, I think. So I'm not sure. Do we have grain coin? No, we don't have. So let's fork this. Grain coin project. Yeah, let's fork this. Let's have everything here. We will have to move all of this into an organization because otherwise this is too much work, a bit too much to have in on my own repo for this specific purpose of having. Yeah, so let's see. Yeah, let's fork this. Let's copy it locally, and we will probably clone this twice because we want to have this right place. So this should be grain coin original. So we want the grain coin original because otherwise, if we are going to do some thing about comparing stuff from one place to another one, it's going to be too difficult to do. Yeah, so first of all, let's take a look at our tools that I do not remember too well about them, but I have some tool here which let us compare stuff. Let me see. This is when we did the changes the other way around. Okay, I think something like this. Oh, look at that. Back in the day, what the hell happens from Bitcoin? Bitcoin is another name for Bitcoin or something. Okay, Bitcoin forks. Yeah, so Magic Coin is a mint coin which forked back from Bitcoin. Yeah. Mint coin ticker was XMG. Oh, look at that. These thoughts that I had back in the day. Okay, so bash a script for looping. Yeah, so let me check what the hell is this. So this is about I think this is about yeah, this is because you want to compare why would I do 1 and 2? That's a good question. Because these are different paths. Diff git. Yeah, one of them it's about files and the other one is about text, isn't it? So this one is about number of files being changed, and this one is about number of lines being changed. So we want both of them. And so what you do here is something like so. Let's create okay, so this is mint coin, and we find out which is the first commit that we want to check and which is the last commit that we want to check, and thanks to this we managed to do this properly. So yeah, so we probably want to copy and paste everything here. Let's see if we can manage to do something useful from it. So this should be 126 so that it's easier to do. So 126 1, 126 2, and 126 3, and yeah, so 126 0. So we were around 26 number, and this is what we want to use here. So let's try to apply the old script to the grain coin, mint coin comparison. Okay. So the first thing that you want to do is to replace stuff so that it doesn't make, so that it makes some change, some sense. So here the old one is mint coin and the new one is fake magic. So what you want to do here is to replace mint coin with grain coin, which is supposed to be the old one. Okay, so let's search for this grain coin, and also here grain coin. Okay, so now we should be able to come back here and do some more replacement. So what you want to replace is grain coin and replace it with not this thing. So make fake magic needs to be fake mint. Okay, so let's, yeah, here it is. So we want this fake mint commits that help us to do some stuff. Okay, so now we are right, I guess. So what we need to find out here is we want to work on grain coin. Okay, this is very useful to do. So grain coin, yeah, so grain coin first commit is one that we have found later on, which is here. So this is the first commit, grain coin. So let's start with this one because we have seen that, you know. So this is the one that we want to replace. So let's replace it right now manually. Now we can say something like commit where grain coin history starts, and this is 2013 something. I have already forgotten about this. Yeah, let's search it. 1 second. September, December. This is a 7, isn't it? 7 of December. Yeah. So commit just after the well, look at that, match initial commit. Yeah, matches should be mint after the mint initial commit. Well, I don't know which one it's going to be, but let's replace matchy with mint on here, because otherwise this is not going to be properly done. Okay, nice. Nice. So now we've got all of this here. Nice. So the question is, which is the commit just after the mint initial commit? Mintcoin first commit is here, so 6th of February. So let's search for this. Coin. We should be able to check all of the coin commits. We are looking for something around 6th of February. So what we want to use here is this one, which is 20th of February. Yeah, so where are you? So the first commit, yeah, so the mint initial commit is from this date, and the commit is this one. So we want to just modify this other one here, which is the one that it's left to be changed. We are done. So now we should be able to make all of this stuff around Mintcoin. What's the name? About Coin. Okay. So let's do it. So I'm going to just copy this and say Coin comparison with Mintcoin. So this is going to be automatic comparison. Then we will remove it, because we don't want so many branches and stuff, because they are, we will move it to archive or to discard it. Okay, so now we should be able to copy and paste everything that we have done here. So this is not a proper comparison, but it helps a lot. Yeah, and we are missing something. So here there's something which is mint initial commit. Okay, so mint initial commit, we should have it somewhere, you know. So down here we should have mint initial commit, and I'm not sure we have it. Yeah, so Mintcoin initial commit, you know. One second, let's use the same way of writing it. So Mintcoin initial commit. So here here Mintcoin initial commit. Here what I want to do is to remove all of the hit stuff, because why would you want to have so many stuff? And let's make sure that we are on the initial commit branch, and that's right, we are on the initial commit branch. We only have one commit, and that's nice. So now we should be able to remove this. Okay, let's remove this GIT, and now we should be able to come back to this green coin automatic comparison with mint coin. Nice. So now that we have everything in the right place, let's see if we can manage if this works as expected or not. Well, I'm not sure if this is working properly, because the first one, but I guess so. Okay, so now if I use this, oh, look at that, there are not so many commits, not sure why. Yeah, and this is the last one. There are not so many commits. Now we can loop this again and see which are the differences. So I will just copy and paste all of this, because this is supposed to be done properly. And now let's copy and paste all of this also, and this should be the other one, which is the one. This is the one. So now we should be able to open around here. Maybe it's worth having new yeah, maybe it's worth, just wait for a second. Okay, so here we have these two files, so the one and the two. The one, I think it's a number of files which are being modified. As you can see here, it's more or less the same thing, although here there seems to be one file modified, so this is a good candidate. So this should not be it, but we will check later this if it makes sense data wise. Well, it does not make sense. And here we have this thing about how many lines are being modified, and we've got this thing here, which means that this is probably a merge. Okay, and this is obvious because this is after we managed to after the date, so it's obvious that there are many lines different. The thing is that if we take a look at all of this, the best place is the first commit, and that's quite amazing, I guess. But let's see. So the first commit is BA. Let's see if it's true, because I am not sure now. So grain coin first commit is BDC, is not BA, although it might be that BDC is not used here because something. Okay, let me check. Okay, so as you can see here, BA33 is this one, and 33ED is this one. So either this is, so the least one is this one, and this one is not used. So either it's different from here or from here. So we are not sure. So let's take a look at this, not here, because otherwise this is going to be nuts. Let's take a look at this checkpoint difference. Grain. Oh, look at that. Yeah, this is not modified. Oh, look at this nice colors and so on. Yeah. Okay. This is another version 1100. Okay, maybe. Not sure if this is going to be. So mint coin first commit. Let me check whatever is found here so that we can understand which is the first commit that we can rely on green coin, because I am not sure so far. So this is the first commit, and what I want to check right now is version.h, if I'm not mistaken. So this is 1000, and if you take a look here, what the hell is this? Now here, this is a commit. Display version binary is changed to 101, so we want something before this commit. So this is BA3, so we want exactly the first commit. Is there something else that we can check here? Maybe this commit here, because sometimes the version something is different. Okay, so these two lines are commented out. So if I go to mint coin first commit and I search for main.cpp, where are you? Here you are. And I search for 1085 line. My question is, what about these comments? And actual spacing. And 1 second. Printf 1085. Get next target required. Not sure what I'm looking for here. Get net target required. Let's go up. Wait a minute. Wait a minute, why is there so many changes that do not make sense? About searching this properly. Okay, look at this. So this is 1059, and these lines are commented, and this specific commit here comments them. 6, 7 comments these lines. So that means, so if 6, 7 comments these lines, so either we want this one which is after the date, so either is this one or this one. So let's search the next one. Yeah, we have it. Although this is 1000 line, now this is, yeah, there's like 30 lines that are moved somewhere. Okay, so let's focus here. So we have this commit here, which we are checking. So these comments, this is the thing. 6, 7, 8. So this one here. Then we have February the 2nd, and then we have February 20. The first commit of Mintcoin is found at 6th of February. So it should be either this commit or this one, and we will know now that we are going to open this commit. So we have this wallet.cpp with some new lines, or maybe this one src init.cpp, so I'm not sure which the right one to check. So init.cpp, so 281. Yeah, you are wallet notify. So as we have found out, the commit that you want to use is this last one, because it's where are you? Not this one, because it's new, it's newer. Let's see what it does. Change some versions and change some way of doing stuff. Get proof of work, lose reward, something. Yeah, we don't care about that. The one that we fork from is this one, 72A. So 72A. So let's write this down, because so after this automated comparison and a manual comparison, we can say that the grain coin commit from which Mintcoin was forked from was this grain coin commit in, otherwise, okay. So this is where you want to work from. So let's modify let's modify this so that we have the right one. I mean, I have something similar down here, which I should be able to copy and paste. Okay, here it is. We don't want Clockcoin, that's for sure. So Yeah. Yeah, so this is mint coin. Yeah, it's probably. And grain coin, I think it comes from bottle caps, whatever the reason is. I think that's right. Although it modifies some files around there, and that makes stuff being a bit confusing, but you know. Yeah, okay, so now we should focus on. Let's focus again with this. What the hell is this? Let's try to link. Let's try to link grain coin to mint coin. The grain coin commit is this one. The mint coin first commit that we want to use, it's first commit. So let's go. Okay. So I'll be back. Yeah. I mean, yeah, I'll be back in a minute or two or something. Okay, so where the hell is this? I am back. So let's link green coin to main coin, because that's what's expected. I think that I discarded working with green coin, because if you search green coin project and you know, and you take a look here on country, sorry, you take a look here on share setup.nsi, it's about green coin. However, if you take a look at the specific commit that we have found out, where the hell are we in the right place? Okay, here it is. So if you take a look at the specific, hate so many windows, maybe here, yeah, here. Yeah, this is the specific commit where main coin is probably forked from here. So if you take a look here, and now you take a look at the share and setup.nsi, it's bottle caps. That's what confused me, because I thought that this was not from bottle caps, but from NovaCoin directly, because there were so many NovaCoin files around there. So I think I'm a bit more confident about this. And so let's go back to what we are used to, which is just comparing and do some commits. So this I want to move into Magicoin archive, and that's it. Graincoin original, Graincoin original, I can move it to Magicoin archive. Yeah, so far we have green coin, okay, here, which we have green coin and we have mint coin. So mint coin, yeah, let me close this, let me close both of the comparisons so that we don't care too much about this. So let's focus on Clockcoin here. So this Clockcoin should be moved to discarded, Magicoin discarded, yeah, and this Clockcoin may could work, we just remove it. And so what we want to have here is Graincoin main coin work folder. We want to go inside of it, main coin work, and we want to move our Graincoin folder here, so that we can use this as the past. Okay, and here on the left, what we want to have here is main coin, which is the future, but we need to be in the initial commit branch. That's okay. And so this is the future Graincoin, and we in Graincoin we want to be on the right branch where we want everything to be forked from. Okay, so what we want to do is to use this commit, which is this one, and we want to say hit checkout this thing, sorry, this thing minus B, and let's go to up here let's search for record, I don't know, coin maybe. And here we should have a branch here. This is what we want to use. Maybe not this one. Record, mint coin, coin, white coin. Maybe a white coin is going to be better to use it. Yeah. So this is what we want to use here. Manual fork, white coin. So the future is mint coin, and the past is grain coin. Here it is. So now we should be able to meld stuff. See all of the changes that have been done. So this is the right thing, mint coin, and we should meld. And now we can see some more stuff. We can see how this makes sense. These 5 files have been changed. We have a lot of images that have been changed, whatever the reason is. Maybe they were taken from somewhere else. Okay, we don't know. There might be some other coin in between, but I am not sure. We are going to find out which one. But so far, this is what makes sense. Okay. So let's start once again. Let's see. Okay, so maybe we want to check main.cpp and kernel.cpp just for fun, see if there's any change somewhere. Okay, so main.cpp, just before doing anything else, you know what I mean. So here there is a lot of spaces and changes and stuff. Okay. What about here? Okay, so grain coin has this get 9 coins that gets removed by mint coin because whatever the reason he doesn't use it. And also mint coin introduces cutoff height, which is quite interesting to know that he introduces it. Something from mint coin, I guess. Yearly block count, it's also yeah, this is something from mint coin. Let's take a look if there's what's the name, if there's another. Okay, let's see if there's another coin that uses it, that it's not. Yeah, but, this is too new, maybe. Yeah, 2015, so everything that it's a fork of Bitcoin will have this. So it's going to be quite difficult to understand which is an old enough coin to have this. Yeah, so probably what you want to do is to have this exact date here, see if it's used anywhere else or something. commits, 1000. What the hell is this? 11 commits. Yeah, but I want. I do not want 11 commits. I want code. Okay. A life coin. Football coin. This is going to be difficult to understand. How many of this? There are 78. I mean, I'm not sure this is going to be worth it. Finding something, yeah. But this is too new. This is probably too new to. I'm not sure if it's worth it having all of this stuff. I mean, what more can we have? Can you have? Clockcoin in between. Even then, Clockcoin is not a very good coin. Yeah, mint coin. That's the wallet. Yeah, that's where everything comes from. The Histra coin, this is going to be the same thing, isn't it? Yeah, this is quite new. SG coin. Yeah, so we are going to find a lot of coins that are forks of mint coin, and it's going to be difficult to understand which is the right one or something. The only thing that we can manage is maybe an older mint coin repo, which we have not found out. Okay, green coin. What's about this green coin? Mint coin. Yeah, this is mint coin. Side coin, ghost coin, which we already have seen. What we 2015 hyper. Yeah, but this is not going to be something useful. I don't think so. This is going to be from June 2014 or something. Yeah, May. Yeah, okay, I think this is not worth it. What more can we see here that is useful for us? Oh, take a look at this. And actual spacing. Oh wait a moment. Yeah, this is commented to the right. Range switch over block. Wait a moment. Why don't he has White mint coin doesn't have range switch over block? This is interesting. Okay. Let's go to the first commit of grain coin. And let's search for main.cpp. Do we have grain switch over block? We do not have it. I don't understand. Something wrong here. Okay, let me show you. See if we can manage to understand anything. So the first so down here we have the first green coin commit, which has this PP coin and which has this and actual spacing and everything. So the question is, when we compare mint coin to green coin, so green coin has this grain switch over block, and mint coin it only uses an actual spacing 0. Okay. To spacing 1 and actual spacing 2. So it would seem that we have gone too on the future, but at the same time we already knew that this was the right commit, so I'm not sure about that. So let's go to the first commit. So the first commit, does it have an actual spacing 2, or does it have something else? So if we take a look at PP coin as a reference, so PP coin, this should be up here, and it's not. So it seems that at some time this PP coin block was moved down here or something. That's why. But anyway, so be new, it's not here, and actual spacing equals 2. What the hell? An actual spacing target times time. We should have this and target times time, isn't it? And target times time somewhere else, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, let's see if it's and target spacing. Where the hell did I see this? And target times times. Okay, here it is. And target times pan. Yeah, so apparently this is changed later on. Yeah, so there seems to be some differences here. So what about this change? What about this one? What about this other one? Grain switch over to block. Okay, let's do it the other way around. So if I take a look at what's the name, main.cpp, if I take a look at the main.cpp, well, it was grain switch over block. So there's a grain switch over block here. $1,081. So my question is, who the hell added this? Yeah, look at that. Modify checkpoints. So these stupid commits have a lot of changes that should not be there, and they confuse me. Probably. Okay, so what about the parent commit? Do we have, yeah, does it change anything about, yeah, blacklist? So what about this commit src main.cpp? It does not have it, and let me check if it's different or not from Memecoin. So this line is the same one as this one here, if I'm not mistaken. Then you've got PP coin and civic nam and so on. Yeah. So apparently we have difference, which is that this was implemented with grain switch over block, and here they use something else. Yeah, okay. There might need to be difference between main coin and grain coin, so we're going to go along with it, even if sometimes it doesn't make sense, unless we could search for some of these differences to see. So Merkle root. Oh, look at that. This is, if you want to go from one commit to the other one, you can put it down here. A checkpoint to old with 300 instead of 365. Yeah, okay. And what about kernel.cpp? Are there too many changes? Checkpoints and some spaces here. Yeah, so there does not seem to happen a lot of things. What about net.cpp? Is there anything else? Yeah, grain coin. About this one, RPC mining. Yeah. Util. This might be just this stuff. Okay, let's go with it. We are sure that this is the right path to do. And let's go with it. So right now we are on the right branch. We just need to push here some commits. Yeah, that's it. Let's push here some commits. Let me see. Yeah, let's close this because it's confusing. Too many stuff here. Yeah, let's go with it. So the first thing is this hit ignore stuff, which needs to be added manually, I think. Which one was it? Build hit ignore. Okay, apparently this was not a problem. That makes sense. Yeah, so going to add here, hit ignore. Okay, so this is not adding, removing it, but adding it. I think so. This is fork. We are forking into mint. Okay. And the other one that we have is obj ignore. Yeah. So obj ignore. Wait a moment. We want to remove these two files because otherwise they are not going to be modified when removed. But I'm not sure what's going to happen with shift ignore. So we want to remove cheat rm cheat rm src obg. No, this is not right. Oh my god. Wait a moment. Okay, so we have this JIT ignore something. So the one that we want to ignore is the one we want to delete is script. I mean, we probably do not want any of this. However, oh, look at that. Script mine and so on. Okay, now this is going to be script X, so that these directories, which I'm not sure if they are directories or not. Script X D. This are set, yeah. So this is just remove these files here. I don't care too much about this. And so what I want to do here is to add this new file, which is cheat ignore, because it was not originally here. So this should have, so that's it. Wait, like this. Now we should be okay. And if we refresh, we still have everything to be working on. Okay. Let's focus on the images, because this is something that it's easy to do. We can focus on renaming these images into meme coin. Let's see how it goes. So what we're going to do is to rename these images. Let me move this to the left so that it's easier for me to do. So rain, and what the hell is this? SRCQT res icons, grain 108, and this should be mint coin. This guy used grain, and then he figured out he had to use grain coin instead of this. But you know, icons, grain. Yeah, I mean, we want to do 16 now. What about ICINS and ICNS? And what about ICO and PNG? That's not right. How the hell do I restore this? This one. Yeah, hit restore this one. Now this new file. This is a new file that should not be here. So let's delete it, so that we don't have it here. Now should be able. Now I should be able to have only new file. Yeah, this needs to be removed from here. So we don't want. Okay, now we are back to where we were. So we had ICS and we did two at the same time. So we want ICO and we want PNG. PNG and PNG. Yeah, now we have the 5 files that we have renamed. So let's check the forks. Okay, so this is replace images. This is rename file names. Yeah, and so this is still fork min, so this is right. Okay. So now we should be able to copy the actual files. So let's do this. So let's reload and let's copy this specific file so that why mintcoin.icns. Okay, so so the ICNS has not been modified. The reason is we don't know what's the reason, but it was not been modified. So copy to the right. Okay, so hit the status. And so this should be replace images, and this should be actual Bitcoin images. That's right. Okay. Now we are ready to add some more files, remove some ones and so on. So the first thing you want to do is to have this mining files here. Yeah, so this should be new mint coin images. New mint coin mining images. Nice. The other one that, yeah, mining active. Yeah, probably this mining active and mining inactive, damn it, are the same ones as here. Well, they are not the same ones because these are more big. So let's delete and delete. So now this should be replace images and remove. So this is about removing this one and this one. Nice. Now we should focus on the images that are just updated, because whatever the reason is, all of these images are being updated. So let's do this. Okay, let's copy to the right. Let's copy here. Let's copy to the right. And that's it. Now you should be able to see all the images. That's right. And I think we haven't replaced images. That it's about update images. Rewrite. Okay. Damn it. So now we should be able to take a look at more stuff around here. Maybe we want to reload just in case, but you know. So one thing that we do, what about this screen? Yeah. So one thing that we do with all of this is copy some files that usually are, so here they are. Okay, so this is helper copy replace coin name files.siguientes.txt. So let's copy and paste all of this and see if it helps us somehow. So what we want to use as an input is mint coin. Some of the files are not there because mint coin did not add them yet or something. I'm not sure. Mint coin country Debian. It still has Nova coin stuff. But in any way, so that means that now we should be able to get some files modified, and we can check and hit diff and see if there's something that we think that it should not be here because of you know, because it's not strictly. And here we have this stuff about background and so on. Yeah, so just do this and just take so patch everything, and then what you do here is just add whatever is changed minimal way Okay, this is not it. Not this one. What about this one? Not this one. Okay. Okay, let's split this. We don't want the port change. We want this one here. Oh, yeah. Grain and meme coin developers. Oh yeah, there's this thing about the year. Going to just add this here and that's it. Yeah, so far so good. This is okay, I guess. Okay, so now we should have this replace coin name without removing this. This is folk mint, and this comes from mint coin. What the hell is this? Grain coin. Okay. Now we have some more changes and some more stuff. And so what we do right now is, we refresh everything. So what we do is to copy everything, and we get only changes around this coin rename. Okay. Because now it's gonna be easier. And once we have finished, we will have only the stuff that it's around other stuff, you know what I mean? The stuff that it's something useful. Okay, let's do this like this and like this. Copy this. So now we have a lot of stuff. So once again, we're going to add everything here. We want to patch this, every one of them, but we're going only to, oh, look at that, look at this readme, this install is quite nice. So not this thing, maybe we can split, but yeah, graincoin gra. Okay, innovative something something, innovative, secure and energy efficient. Okay, if you want to. These are the boards. Okay. Here you can see how mint coin was actually forked from grain coin. Yeah, well, there are a lot of stuff that you can check. Grain coin start with 9. This 9 coin thing might be from another coin. Ask myself. Grain address begin with 9. 9 grain. Why would you have this? We did have shit. What the hell is this? Monero. What? Is Graincoin a Monero fork? Don't think so, because the port starts with 9. What the hell is this? Hi guys, comments. Maybe we need to check the comments. Yeah, up. Testnet. What the hell is this? Yeah. Not sure if I'm going to list of altcoins. Probably I have it open somewhere. This this Excel or whatever. Let me check. We are lucky about this. Not well. We are not lucky. Probably for history has something about. Yeah, let's go on with what we have so far. We were doing something, yeah. Let's write this down just in case we want to take a look at it later on. Just in case we want to take a look at this. So I am not sure that green addresses begin with 9. Okay, so do I want this chunk? Yes, I do. Same thing here, same thing here, same thing here. Not this one. This one, not this one, not this one. Yes, we want this one. What about all of this? Yes. Yeah. Okay, so we want to split this one. We do not want this one. Okay. Not this one. I'm not going to time a lock. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Coin split. So not this one, not this one, not this one, not this one. Oh, look at this, all of these changes. This is main.cpp if I'm not mistaken. Graincoin. What the hell is this? 6 December 2013. Microsoft disrupts zero access web fraud botnet. Oh my god. No. No. Take a look at that. Just grain switch over block. And yeah, Mincoin does not use this. the proof of stake reward. This is right, I think. This might be make files and so on. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, here there are some changes. Oh wait a minute. We are going to a version of Boost which is older than what Greencoin used. This is interesting. And we also have these include paths that are dropped here. Yeah. Okay. What the hell is this? Yeah. Not the testnet. Not this thing. Not this thing. Not this thing. Not this thing. Not this thing because there are ports. This is ticker. This is a ticker, I guess. This is one thing that you want to okay. Right, main coin, not this one. Not this one, not this one. Not this one. We want this one. And this one. Okay. Okay, so far oh my god, what the hell is this? Client name Satoshi? What the hell? I'm not going to save this. Maybe I will do a specific commit because this is quite funny to see here. Okay. This is a ticker. This is something else. Okay. So now we have a lot of changes here. Let's check if every one of them we want to save them or not as a replace coin commit. Let's see what we have right now. Yeah, okay. So this is replace coin name, and this should be number 2. Okay. So now we should be able to work on all the other stuff here. So let's I'll be back in 5 minutes or so. Okay, so let's see what more can we see around here. So that we can have, okay, so this is the explanation. We're going to ignore this right now. This is the PubKey address, so this is quite easy to do. So this is PubKey address, so this is which should be forked to mint. And so PubKey address was added, updated to mint coin. Nice. Bitcoin RPC. Yeah, here we have the ports. Maybe we can work on the ports that I have. So I want to patch this one, not this one. And what I want to do is what the hell? How is this possible? I have a list somewhere with the files that usually mean changing the port, and yeah, the only one is Bitcoin RPC, although I think that there are more about changing the port. I do not remember right now. Something about, yeah, something else. What about port? Okay, look at that. So this is on README. Yeah, not sure if we are going to be able to do this properly. So if we split this, not this one, 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 not this one. We want this one. What more do we have about ports? Yeah, init. So src init.cpp. This port. Let's go see if there's something more about ports. Yeah, don't remember very well. Oh, look at this. src protocol.h, the only one that it's here. So let's see if there's something else, but I don't think there's. Okay, look at that. Bitcoin strings, and apparently is all of the files that the file that you want to add here. Yeah, so is there something else? Because I mean, we have gone so many places that Satoshi. Okay, so now we have a lot of ports to be changed here. Let me open a new file. Let's copy all of this, see if we can make any sense of this. So otherwise, maybe I will just have it on the commit description, otherwise this is going to be too long. And we will be able to see later on, if not in this fork, but later on, thanks to the ports, we might understand if this comes from bottle caps or not. But we think that green coin comes from bottle caps. So let me see. I'm wondering if I can just put this here and that's it. Yeah, I might just copy and paste this because otherwise this is too... Okay, let me see. Yeah, so this port becomes this one. This is okay, apparently everything matches. This one, it's going to match this one, okay. I guess that's right. Then there's this thing about the testnet. So this should be the ones from the left. Okay, so I think this is quite well done. Yeah. Two more and two more. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I'm just going to copy paste all of this stuff because that way is easier for me. So change port. Damn it, change port. So we want to change port, and this is forked mint. Okay, now we want to mend this. Just copy and paste the details here, which is going to be just the changes. So that, if you want to take a look at it, you can take a look at it in one go. Okay, so now, sorry, now we have all of these files which with some differences. So let's take a look and see what more can we do. So there's this checkpoints stuff, which is on kernel.cpp. So this checkpoints cpp we can add it completely, but the kernel.cpp we only want the first checkpoint change, and we don't want this. So once we have done this change, we can check the commit that it's about to be added here, and we can check, say something about, so checkpoints were updated for mint coin. So this is fork mint. Nice. And what more do we have here? Hint div. Yeah, some changes here. Yeah, Merkle root. So Merkle root is on main.cpp. Might it be? Yeah. So let's do this first. Merkle root. Patch. Yeah. So let's search for Merkle root to see. Maybe we need to split here. Yeah. There are a lot of changes here that okay, so Merkle root. Now we can exit and we can say something about Merkle root. So this is fork mint. Nice. So now we can check for stuff and see if we find anything that we are interested in adding around here. There was something Genesis. Yeah, this is also, yeah, this is main.h has this Genesis stuff. So let's add it, and I think that we are done. That's right. So we can say something like change genesis, fork mint, and I'm not sure what's left here in order for us to add some stuff. Okay, so we have the ticker. So the ticker, I have here some stuff. So it usually is bitcoin-units.cpp, as this one here, sendcoins-dialog.ui, and srcqt forms overview page.ui, all of them. Yeah, so let's save everything about changing the ticker, even if it's not perfect. So let's check if there's something else about the ticker. Yeah, there's this thing there, but yeah. Oh wait a moment, what the hell is this? Wallet. Yeah, so only wallet.cpp also has something about the ticker. So this one here, and we are done. So the commit should be this thing here, which only changes the ticker from gra to mint. So we should have here replace ticker. So this is from gra to MMT, and this is fork mint. Okay, let's see what more are we left with. So we have some more stuff around here. So there are a lot of changes, if you ask me. Oh, look at this. This is quite overview page. So this is sort of the second one, but this is BTC to MEMT. Yeah, that thing that I have said. What more do we have around here that makes sense to add somewhere? Yeah, this thing about the version, I want to have specific commit. So this thing, not everything else. This should be minimal. So client name was changed to Satoshi to Mintcoin, from Satoshi to Mintcoin. Okay, so now let's see if there's something else that we want to add to this. Yeah, so we are done. So let's see. I have seen something down here. So there's the version, number of confirmations, so on. So let's go with file by file, but let's leave the README for the end. Bitcoin rpc.cpp. So this is fork mint, and this is just forget about the specific IP block from Graincoin. Yeah. Okay. What more do we have here? Kernel.cpp. Yeah, maybe this one, it's going to be easier. Yeah, this is something about. This is about Windows, isn't it? older boost version on. Yeah, this is something that, you know, you don't care too much about this. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, so let's take a look at more stuff. What about this dialog? Yeah, so about dialog.cpp. Yeah, I mean, this is not useful at all. Add a comment about background color. What is this useful for? Nothing. Okay. Bitcoin QRC. Okay. Yeah, this makes sense. Bitcoin QRC, but at the same time, do not use images at Qt app, Qt program. Yeah, I mean, let's see, what more do we have here? Yeah, these are comments. Why would you have some comments here? This has no sense. These comments, why would you have some comments if you are not using them? What the hell was this? Add some comments. Yeah, this is not something that you want to save. Probably Bitcoin removes these comments later on, but I have no idea, if you ask me. Okay, so what more do we have? That it's maybe, yeah, transaction record .h. So this is not number of confirmations was modified from 6 to 4. Yeah, okay. Oh, look at that. This is transaction table model.cpp, and we have something for this. Do not use. Yeah, so this file is not removed, but yeah. So if you take a look here and you search, well, we are not going to see it right now, but I am pretty sure that, yeah, that you have this file tx. What the hell was this? Okay, so srcqt icons, res icons here. If you take a look here, there's this txmind file which is no longer used. I mean, I don't think it's no longer used. However, this is okay, yeah, apparently it is used somewhere. Yeah, okay, it's used. Okay, anyways, what more do we have on all of these files that are required? Yeah, so version.h, bump version from 1.000 to 1. Wait a minute. this is not bump, but this is dump version. Dump version from 1.34 to 0.00. Yeah, okay, we don't care too much about this. And what about the wallet? Yeah, I think so. Be index 0 and hide. Okay, let's take a look at src kernel.cpp. Probably at this is better if you have it, but adapt. Brackets were added. Curly brackets. Curly brackets. Okay, so yeah. So let's see. So now we should so main.cpp has a lot of stuff. There's some staking changes up here, which is some obvious stake changes. Yeah. So let's add here anything about staking, minimal staking changes. Yeah, this is minimal staking changes, not this one. We don't want this, not this. Yes, this one, not this one, not this one. Yeah, this one I think it's a good thing. Yeah, this is the stupid thing about not this one. Yes, this one. This checkpoint to alt. I think that this one it's also. What about splitting this? Send coin. Not this one. Not this one. Not this one. Okay, so now if you take a look here, you can see how this says something about staking, but these are minor changes. So so these are minor staking changes. Okay, so now we should have all of this. Yeah. What about the wallet? Okay, so I want to save here src main.cpp which has this thing, and I don't think there's nothing more about these spaces that are quite so. Now we should this is remove spaces. Yeah, okay, whatever. So the idea is to have everything but readme.cpp. So you know, so this should be added into a commit, which is going to be doubt, because everything is a doubt nowadays. Doubt and specific. Mature improvement, mature changes. On main related files. Okay, so now we should have readme. I'm not sure I'm going to do anything special about this, because readme, so bring coin to mint coin. Okay, so now we are almost done. And that's nice, because we will be able to have yet another coin in the box. So what we want to do here is, first of all, is rename grain-qt pro. So grain.qt pro should be mint coin qt pro, isn't it? Let's see if it's the right name. That's right. Now we should be able to have this as a reference, then we can search something like .pro. Replace, rename, yeah, that's what I want to. So we rename this to mint coin pro, and this is grain qt. That's nice. And yeah, okay. So now I should be able to copy and paste this file to the right, okay? If I refresh, I can copy this to the right, and something will happen. Either everything is changed or not. So look at that. This is just replacing a stuff, although there is this stupid mint coin pro. So let's patch this. There's a space, so not this, yes, this one, and let's so now we have this line. So this should be removed. Line was removed. And this is about mint qt pro. Now we have this, this should be just adding this main coin to through. This is raw, so this should be something like replace yeah, that's it. So this is fork mint. You've got the replace coin name, and this is mint coin. We already know that, and this should be it. Okay, so now if I compare this, we should say that everything is the same thing. That's what we wanted. So here we have a lot of commits and so on. So we want to check that every one of them has fork mint as a prefix. Otherwise I will have to edit and do a lot of stuff around here. Let's see, fork mint. Okay, yeah, that's perfect. So now I should be able to send this branch to whatever I need, but this needs to be done from the other directory. So what you have here is this one here. Now we can go back to our first directory, and I think we are done. So I'm going to find in my repo this grain coin. We should have this new branch with their commits, and here you are. Let's edit a bit of description so that you can find this thing here. Yeah, so ghost coin, so mint coin, which is after ghost coin, now connects to grain coin. So I think I'm going to end the video here. So thank you very much for watching the video.